Hello preschools, welcome to the tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to log in from your admin account and how to register the student and what all other facilities have been given to you as an admin or as a owner of the school, or what all things you can do on a online portal. Okay. So for first thing you have to do is you have to go to your Google Chrome browser and put mysmartbooks.in. Okay. So once you enter the like mysmartbooks.in link, you will get a login page like this. So here, once after logging in, you have to select staff here and enter the username and password, whatever it has been given to you. So I am selecting what demo@eduprocessglobaltech.com and whatever the password is there. Okay. So if you don't want to enter the username and password again and again, you can just click on remember me so that your system will be saving those username and password so that it will be easier for you also. Right. So if you're accessing it via phone, you can even click on download app and you can download the APK file also. Okay. After that, you just need to click on sign in. So once you sign in, this is how your home screen will look like, right? So here the most important part, which are the first, I'm just going to explain you them. So first you have to go to this parent section. Under that you have the parent account. Click on that. So from here you can create the username and password of the children, right? So click on create new. So you will get a student admission form like this. So you need to enter all the required data here. Okay. So in the first part, name is there. So I'm just going to select any random name. So say I'm selecting as Purva. Okay. And select the date of birth of the child. So you can just click on this to edit the date of birth. So I'm just selecting any random date, right? Select the gender of the child. So I'm selecting female. So, in our company, we don't take any personal data of your parents. So, there is no need to enter father name, mother name, mobile number. You can skip all those three things. Then directly go to the class where default is mentioned. So, it is very important to select the class because all the further things can be programmed accordingly. So, if you select nursery, so all the nursery related questions, whatever the things are there, it will be programmed with the child's account. Okay. So you have to select the class. So I'm selecting nursery now, right? In the username, it's very important to note, like in the username, @and.com are compulsory. Say if I have RV, so I will select as RV or Purva, sorry, Purva @ whatever the class is there, you can select nursery or you can select your school name. So if I want to select, I can select it as Purva @eduprojectsglobaltech.com. I am selecting a simpler one, Purva @nursery.com. So I have selected @ and .com compulsory in the username, right? In the password, one letter should be capital. So I'm selecting Purva's P capital. Rest all things are small. One number you have to select. So whatever the number you want to select, you can select that one. And one special character. So my password will be P capital, Purva, 1 or 2 whatever you want. Okay. If you want to upload the child's image on the screen whenever the child logs in, you need to have that particular image in your folder so that you in your laptop, in your phone, from wherever you are creating the student ID, so that it will be directly you can add the child's image. So as of now, whatever image I have, I'm just going to select it. So I have this particular logo of our thing. So I'm just selecting that one. So you can select the child's image or you can even skip that part. Okay. Then just click on the save part. So once you click on the save, so you can create the a child's username and password like this. It will take 2 to 3 seconds and it will create the username and password. Okay. So from here, we can see the username and password created by the child is. So you have to go to this parent again section, and under that parent account, so you can see the child's name, whatever we have created now. Okay. So whatever the username was selected, that you can see the password and the class, everything you can see it from here. Okay. And you have share via WhatsApp or send via mail option. So from where you can share the username and password with the parents, and it will share even the URL also, so that parents can get the access to the URL. Okay. So the next part is uploading the books to the child, like, the smart books which we are providing, right? So how to upload the books to the child? So for that, what you have to do is, like, just in front of the child's name, there is an option called folders. You need to click on that. Okay, so once you click on that, you will get a page like this, add new. So there are no books added now, right? So you can click on add new. So you will get all the required books here. So from here, you will need to select the book you want to upload. Okay. So as a school, if you don't want to give the complete access to the parents, so you can upload only one book to the child. Then once it is completed, you can upload the second book to the child. Okay, so that option is also given to you, so that from where you can upload the books to the child. So to select the book, you don't need to click on the complete book. You just need to click on this small checkbox. So it will select that particular book. See, Purva is a nursery child, na? So we are selecting nursery first and second book, for example. If you want to select the further books also, you can select that one also. Then you need to select the class. So I'm selecting nursery here. And the parent, as of now, we have only one child. So we can select only, save only one name. Then click on save. So once you click on save, you will get the option like folders assigned successfully. So this is how you can upload the books to the child, right? So I will just go back to the parent account again, and I will show you once you click on folders. So you can see the books here now. Okay, whatever books we have added to the child. So this is how you can create the student ID and upload the books to the child. Thank you.